Now let's see things related to examination. So examinations, it all depends on you whether you want admin to manage that or whether you want teachers to manage that. So whoever wants to manage that, they will see those options over here under SM Academic. And here, let's see. Okay, here we have SM Examination. Click on this option. Now here you have manage exams. If no exams are created previously, you can create a new exam. So click on this option, add new exam. You can give it a title. For example, this is unit test 1. So you can give it a title of unit test 1. What is the exam center? Maybe it is this school, same school. When does this exam start? Which month, which date, and what month and which date does it end? And for which class this timetable you're creating, and you can select exam group. So again, you can just enter the title over here, unit test 1. Then after that, you have to, add which paper is on which date. So probably first is English. So I'll just enter it like this. Maximum marks, maybe it is unit test. So probably I don't know how many marks it is today. In our times, it was around 20-25 marks. Paper code, I don't know. In English 001, whatever it is. And which date. So I had selected exam starts on 20th. So I'll select 20th. Start time probably 10 a.m. and ends at 12, probably not 12, 11:30, because let's select 11:30 a.m. and room number, probably room number 1. Click on add more. Second exam is maybe mathematics, so I'll select maths. This is not theory obviously, but you can change that thing. This is for again maybe 20 marks. Paper code, exam date, paper date, you can select all these things. Time, I want to select the same time. All right, and this is also in room number 1. So similarly, you can just go ahead and do this thing, create this entire timetable. You can also give the grade criteria, so from which person to which person and which grade do you want to assign them. If you enable this thing, this will be automatically assigned. Now if you want, you can also publish this thing. So basically you should be publishing this thing once this timetable is 100% completed, and once you want to publish this to students on notice boards. Okay, so you can select everything, publish, and click on add new exam. Okay, paper code is missing for second one. Let me just enter anything. Click on add new exam again. And now as you can see here, it says exam added successfully. Now we can click on this, teacher can click on view exam, and this exam is now added. Let's again go back to student dashboard, which is over here. Click on exams, exam timetable. Now as you can see, this exam timetable is added. This they can click on this, and here English, paper code, date, timing, room number, exam center is this school. So here as you can see, this works amazing. This is so professional and so easy. Now let's see some more things we have added. Let's see how this student can generate admit card if it is required for exam. So they can go to admit card. We had selected published. So let me do one thing. Let me again go back to teachers account, and here let me just click on view, and this is the timetable, I guess. Where is the publish? Here it is, admit cards. Click on view. No data available. Let's add let's generate admit cards for students. So click on generate admit cards. Now here you can select all the students, and obviously for some reason, if you want some students to be excluded in this list, so you don't want to generate their admit cards, for some reason they were whatever reason it could be, you can do that thing. Now I'm selecting all students and click on generate admit card. Click on generate. Once this admit card is generated, again if you go back to parent account or student account, refresh it. Okay, here it still says no admit card. Let's see. Okay, we haven't yet. This is also required for this exam. This will be the roll number. Okay. Now it is successfully published. Again, if I come over here, refresh it. Now as you can see, admit card is now generated. I can click on this, and in this admit card, I have all my details or students details, and we also have this timetable. Now this person, student or this parent can now simply print this admit card. And once this exam is over, results can also be assessed and evaluated live on this website. So that happens over here. under exam results. Once this exam is over, this teacher can add results. Click on add result, and for which student? So probably for student 1, this student, because it is a very bright student, Nayyar Sheikh is very bright student, so probably in English scored 19 because it is subject, and maths 100%, so 20. And now this teacher can publish this result. Click on view exam results, and here as you can see 97.5, which is pretty good. And again, if I go back to students page, click on exam results. Here I have my result, click on view, and this is my result, percentage and everything is given over here.